Did you know a basketball player once scored 100 points in a single game? Wilt Chamberlain did this crazy thing back in 1962. But here's the wild part: nobody has video of it happening. The most famous basketball moment ever, and we only have one blurry photo of Wilt holding up a piece of paper with 100 written on it. His team won 169 to 147. That means Wilt scored more points by himself than some entire teams score in games today. The crowd went so crazy that fans rushed the court with 4 minutes left just to touch him. His teammates started passing him the ball every single time down the court. Even the other team was helping him get to 100 points by the end. The craziest part? Wilt was a terrible free throw shooter his whole career, but that night he made 28 out of 32 free throws. It's like the basketball gods wanted this record to happen. 100 points, and we can't even watch it back.